To new video friends, today I'm going to tell about how can you off TalkBack guys and how to solve guys TalkBack problem in Redmi 10 phone guys. Today I'm going to tell you about. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys now let's start video guys. First of all guys, what will you have to guys? You will have to use your two finger. So guys use your two finger guys first guys, then guys click on setting first, then guys tap two time.
Settings.
Then guys come on additional setting.
In list. Double.
What is going on here? Two
Additional
time.
settings.
Then guys click on accessibility. One finger use. Then guys use your two finger and guys you can tap two time. Then guys use your one finger. Click on vision option. Guys tap two time. Then guys you can see TalkBack. So guys first select TalkBack. Then guys use your two finger. Then guys you can tap two time.
TalkBack.
Then guys off TalkBack first you can.
Accessibility. TalkBack.
Two time play guys. Off
Accessibility.
TalkBack. What is happening here? Two tap.
TalkBack.
Click one finger use guys. Use your one finger. Then off.
TalkBack shortcut. TalkBack shortcut. Can.
We will have to click on this one. Then guys off.
Stop TalkBack.
Stop. First stop. One click guys, then two tap.
TalkBack off.
Oh now guys you can use your phone guys. You can say that TalkBack is off and TalkBack problem has off. My god friends, so I think friends we have understood guys how to off TalkBack guys. You can see guys what did I do guys, how I told you guys and how did I do guys to off TalkBack guys. So before guys please guys I request you please guys go and like my video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon guys. Then thank you for watching the video guys. Bye bye friends.